Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the toast. Toast is basically used to display the small message on the screen. Like you have logged in into your account, there's a small message comes at the bottom of your screen, logged in or logged out, or your battery is below 5% or anything else. Toast class is used to show notification for a particular interval of time. Particular interval of time means we can also change that interval also, like we have two kind of intervals in toast, length long and length short. Okay, you can see here public static final int length underscore long. Length underscore long is used for the long duration of time. Length underscore short is used for the short duration of time. Now let us do the practical on Android Studio. Here's your Android Studio. Now we are going to make a app. Basically in this app we are going to put a button. By the click of that button a small toast will appear. Okay, like this button. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस बटन का नाम बदल देंगे, क्लिक मी नाम रख देते हैं और इस बटन को प्रॉपर पैडिंग दे देते हैं ताकि ये ऊपर से नीचे आ जाए. Okay, now you can see the button is here. Now you have to define, here is a common attribute in which on click is basically like when you are going to click the function, when you going to click the button, when you're going to click the button, which function should be called. Like I'm defining toast here, toast click. Okay, now come to main activity. Now what we have to define here, that function public void view. Okay, now we are going to make a toast. After defining your current the toast, we have to define a activity in which toast is running. After that we have to define the message like hello everyone. After that we have to define the length of the duration for which toast should appear, toast dot length long and dot show. Okay, now we are going to run our app. Our app is installed. Now you can see here by clicking click me, hello everyone appears. It's a long toast. Okay, again I'm clicking hello everyone appears. Now what we are going to do now is to make a edit text box, and whatever thing we put in that edit text, that should appear in the toast. Okay, 200 TP left, design 120. Okay, now fine. Now we have to change this text from hint. I will tell you why I have changed from text to, I will tell you why I have changed from text to hint. Wait, now define that edit text here also. I'll text t, and let me define here t equals to text and r dot l dot. I'll text c. Let's just delete this older message. Now write the t dot get text dot to string. Now again we are going to run our app and see the changes. Our app is installed now. Let us see the changes. I'm going to type here is hello everyone TV show. Now I'm going to click on click me. You can see the toast appear on the screen, bottom of the screen. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to click again. Hello everyone TV show. Now let's change the length of the toast and see short. Again run the app. Hey guys, click here. Hey guys, for short duration of time.